One of the topics we discussed online about the teacher in a box, printmaking teacher in a box, is what kind of press would it have? And we have talked about making the Wee Woodie Rembrandt press, and I'm working with making a kind of a paper model using these templates, or the side pieces for another variation of the Wee Woodie Rembrandt press. And my friend Rick in Florida has sent me his versions in cut in wood, 1/8 inch Baltic birch wood, the same profiles as we have here. I'm really happy to get these. They just arrived yesterday. Thank you, Rick.